Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. I'm going to get straight to it. I don't want to waste your time later. JPY reacted to this demand zone. So after breaking this, came back here and started shooting up. So we can expect it to be a bit more bullish, at least to come here. So that means all these are sells, right? That's why I do know about this demand zone as the real demand zone. So, which is why I'll be more on sales on TJ and CJ, which are my favorite pairs of JPY. So I'm expecting this to come at least back up here, then shoot down some more. Maybe shoot here and give us some reactions to. But overall, I'm expecting it to come all the way down here. This is the real demand zone. I use the demand zone. So be careful, guys. If you are buying JPY, be careful. If you are selling, be careful as well. CHF JPY, I have the same thing. Will be, this is actually a buy to, at least back up here. I'm expecting it to come a little bit higher to the zone right here, then shoot down. Because like I said, JPY is strong for now. So you want to be careful in this zone too. But anyways, I think this trade has already given its go ahead to enter. Came back for this little order block here, but I am not in. Like I said, because JPY is strong, I did not take this trade. But on the lower time frame, maybe on the 5 minutes or 1 minute, if we look carefully and this gives us our confirmation after breaking this high, maybe we can join the buy that is up to that area. So that's what I'm looking for. DXY is around that order block zone. We can't really say it has broken it totally yet because we've seen situations where it will go a little bit above then shoot down. So which is why we want to be careful in these areas. We are in a demand zone on GU as well. But I won't touch it until I see a break of the last high that pushed for this low. If I see a good break, then maybe I can buy. I was actually waiting to join this overall sell down, but the market left me. I was waiting for it right there, but it left me, just came all the way here, did not come back for the real supply zone and shut down some more. So I missed that move. AED/USD2 is in a demand zone. They have a little bit of, they have a demand zone right here. So I'm expecting a break of the last high too on it. If it breaks it, then I will be more convinced to take the buy. I don't know if you guys trade synthetic indices. I'm in some trades and I'm looking for a buy on 101S. I'm looking for a buy, but I'm going to sell for the buy. If you are looking for where the buy is, that will be on the 4 hours. Yeah. This little demand zone right here. Okay, 8 hours right there. This little demand zone right here. After the break of this side, this gap was not filled. So I'm expecting the market to come all the way down. Yeah. But for the little sell I got in on, I think it's on the 15 minutes. So let me show you. We have, after the break of this low, we have this supply zone that wasn't tapped into. So the market came back there. I took this trade initially, but I broke even after the break of the low. The market came back to break me even. So I went further to the 5 and 3 minutes. I could take it one more time on the 3 minutes, which I did. So I'm expecting the reaction. I don't know if it's going to give it to me totally, but I'm expecting the reaction, guys. So that's what I have for you on that one. Not totally though. I'm expecting a sell on volatility 50, volatility 50. I'm expecting a buy on volatility 10. And I think that's it. I think that's it. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.